Hey, welcome to RicksDIY. Today I wanted to just do a real quick video on trying to fix a bent basketball rim. So we have one of those portable basketball hoops. It's made by Lifetime or Spalding or something like that. I think it is a Lifetime one. But as you can see, it's not round anymore. It's a little oval. So the basketball hoop came down in the wind and smashed right on the end there and got bent. And the new hoops are about $45-50 for a new one. I'm gonna try to bend this back. It's pretty thick steel. It's about 5/8 steel, solid. And if you wanted, you could probably put on its side like that, and maybe hit the top with a sledgehammer or something, but it'd be quite the beast. What I'm going to try to do is just use a automotive floor jack and bend this back. So we'll try that here, see what happens. I was going to say, I thought it was 18 inches, couldn't really remember for sure, so we just want to bend this back. We're about 17 and 5/8 right now. I might not be able to totally get it, all the way up because of this, this little flat spot here. This thing won't, I took that top off, but get it as close as I can. Yeah, that's good there. I'm right at 18. In fact, I'm probably stretching it a bit. Yeah, I did. So it shortened it up a little bit there. I'll go ahead and release this, and then kind of bent back. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not. So go ahead and pull the jack off, and now I've got still got a little bit of a flat spot right there, but 18, and it's about 17 3/4, so it's still got a little bit of flat spot. And bang that out just by hand. Just do that. Just stand on that. And see how hard that would be if you're trying to do it. If you can get it stationary, you get it. But I'm gonna call that good. That'll work good for the kids' basketball hoop. So. Back now, and just gotta get it mounted up and restrung and have a better functioning basketball hoop now. Thanks for watching, you guys.